Why do you need to know about these law of attraction tools? Because by utilizing these law of attraction tools correctly, you can truly make the law of attraction work for you. You will be able to create your dream reality. I know of so many people who have discarded the law of attraction as a gimmick, or even as a load of rubbish. They are normally people who want to manifest something in a hurry and ask the universe for it. When they don't get what they've asked for, they immediately discard the law of attraction without true understanding of why it didn't work for them. I'm here to tell you that the law of attraction does work in all of our lives, every single minute, whether you believe in it or not. By utilizing these law of attraction tools, I am living, breathing proof that you can learn how to create your own dream reality. I've manifested so many things, including large lump sums of money, better living circumstances, holidays, and so much more. How did I do it? I used the law of attraction tools I'm going to outline below. 1. Gratitude. A crucial law of attraction tool. Gratitude is the very best place to start. Because the minute you start being grateful for everything in your life, you have immediately turned your attention to the positive. Straight away your vibration has shifted, and you are already finding alignment with your desires. 2. Visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool in manifesting specific things. For instance, when I wanted to go on holiday, I had no money in those days. I decided to try and manifest the holiday and the money to do so. I started by researching the place I wanted to go. In this case it was Jamaica. I researched the flights, the airport lounge, the airports. Then I moved on to the hotel, the attractions, the weather. Literally everything. I went on to TripAdvisor, my favorite place when trying to manifest a holiday. Looking at the reviews, the photos and the videos of my chosen hotel made it come to life for me. The videos were particularly helpful, especially the hotel walkthroughs. Sometimes I would place myself in the person's footsteps as if I was holding the camera and actually there. I tried to imagine the smells, the sounds, everything. By the time I had finished, I said to my daughter, "Do you know what? I feel like I've already had my holiday and been there." Within a day of feeling this, £3,000 came to me in a way that was totally unexpected and improbable. I booked the holiday and had the time of my life. This technique can be applied to any kind of manifestation. The key is you must feel like you already have the thing that you are trying to manifest. I have written a post about techniques you can use for effective visualization. Check it out here. 3. Vision Board. A vision board is a fantastic way to help you daily visualize exactly what it is you want. You can buy them on Amazon. From Amazon USA, click here for a cute cork pin board, and for a fabulous magnetic one, click here. On Amazon UK, my favorite ones is this luxury one in soft gray or this simple cork pin board. Basically, you pin anything you are trying to manifest on your board. Magazine cutouts, fabric, photos, affirmations, words. It's your creation, so be playful with it and think big. Once you have some things on your vision board, you can apply the above visualization technique to manifest them. Your future is decided by what you do today. Law of attraction tools. 4. Affirmations. Affirmations are an important part of the law of attraction tools. They help you to shift your vibration to that of a positive one and thus get you into a allowing mindset. So what are affirmations? Simply put, they are words or phrases that affirm a positive fact about you or your situation. For instance, a common one for money would be, "I am a money magnet." They can be used for every subject you want to manifest. From money and relationships to a dream home or self-confidence. They don't take long to do but are very powerful if used consistently over time. I always like to affirm in the morning, before the stresses of the day have a chance to affect my vibration. And another good time is the last thing at night, so you go to bed reset. 5. Meditation and allowing. The fifth and often neglected step is allowing. A lot of people don't fully understand what that means. You can check out my post here to find out more, but in simple terms it means to get out of your own way. Still don't get it? Okay, So imagine you've asked for a car and you are waiting and waiting for this car to manifest in your life. Every day you frantically visualize it, feeling frustrated as you wait. What you may not realize is that you could be overdoing it, because if you're feeling impatient and frustrated, that's the vibration that you are sending out to the universe. Frustration. The universe always obliges by sending you back more of the same. So how do we keep our vibrations clean when waiting for a manifestation? Carry on using the above tools, like gratitude, but make sure you let go. Breath in deeply and send out that request and let go of the outcome. Trust in the universe to bring it to you at the right time. Still keep up with your vision board and visualizations, but make sure you are feeling happy. Check out my post on happiness and abundant while doing it. Whatever you do, try not to feel lack, which is resistance to that which you want. Otherwise, that is what you will attract, lack. One of the most underutilized methods of letting go is meditation. Feel free to check out my posts about meditation and the law of attraction and 15 different types of meditation, which is best for me. Law of attraction meditation. While in meditation, your brain is in a state of allowing. No resistance can live there. And so, doing 15 minutes of meditation a day, apart from all of the expected and usual benefits of meditation, will also kickstart your manifestations to flow to you. I use Abraham Hicks guided meditation. Available here in USA or here in UK. They cover the 4 main subjects of money, relationships, physical health and general well-being. I manifested one of my largest sums of money this way. In short, the law of attraction is not a quick fix. It's more like a way of life. Of rewiring the way we think, to take the reins of the direction of our reality in order to lead a happy, positive life. I hope that these law of attraction tools will help you on your journey and would love to hear your success stories, so please feel free to comment.